If aliens exist, why haven't we found them yet? The universe is incredibly vast, filled with billions of galaxies and trillions of planets. Some of these planets are very similar to Earth. They may have water, air, and the right conditions for life. Scientists believe that life should exist somewhere out there. But there is a problem. We have never seen clear proof of aliens. No signals, no messages, no contact. This creates one of the biggest mysteries in science. If the universe is so big, then where is everyone? The universe is almost impossible to imagine. Our galaxy alone has over 100 billion stars, and there are billions of galaxies like this. Each star may have planets around it. That means there could be trillions of planets in total. With numbers this large, it feels impossible that we are alone. Statistically, alien life should exist somewhere. But even after decades of searching, we have found nothing. This makes the mystery even deeper. This mystery is called the Fermi Paradox. A scientist once asked a simple question. If alien life is common, then why don't we see it? This question changed everything. Because if life is easy to form, the universe should be full of intelligent civilizations. Some of them should be far more advanced than us. They should have explored space and maybe even reached Earth. But we see nothing. This contradiction is what makes the Fermi Paradox so powerful. When scientists listen to space, they hear silence. This is called the Great Silence. Despite using powerful telescopes and radio signals, we have not detected any clear message from alien civilizations. It feels like the universe is quiet. Too quiet. This silence is strange, because technology should make communication possible. So why is there no signal? Is no one out there? Or are we missing something? One possibility is that life itself is very rare. Maybe creating life is much harder than we think. It may require very special conditions that almost never happen. Earth might be one of the few places where everything came together perfectly. If this is true, then we might be alone in the universe, a single island of life in an endless ocean of space. Another idea is called the Great Filter. This means there is a barrier that stops life from becoming advanced. It could happen at any stage. Maybe life never begins, or maybe it starts, but gets destroyed before becoming intelligent. If the Great Filter is behind us, then we are lucky. But if it is ahead of us, then it is a warning. It could mean that advanced civilizations destroy themselves. Advanced civilizations may destroy themselves. Technology grows fast, but so do risks. War, climate disasters, or artificial intelligence could end a civilization. If this happens everywhere, then no one survives long enough to explore space. This could explain why we see nothing. Maybe others existed before us, but they are gone now. Another possibility is distance. Space is incredibly large. Even light takes years to travel between stars. Civilizations may exist, but they are simply too far away. Signals become weak over distance. Travel takes too long. We may never meet them because the universe is just too big. A more mysterious idea is that aliens are already here, but they are watching us. They may be observing from a distance, waiting for the right time. Maybe they do not want to interfere. Or maybe they are studying us like we study animals. If this is true, then we are not alone. We are just being observed. Another idea is that we are simply early. The universe is still young compared to its full lifespan. Intelligent life may not have had enough time to spread everywhere. Humans might be among the first advanced civilizations. If this is true, then the future of the universe could belong to us. Maybe aliens are not easy to see. Space is dark and full of unknown areas. Advanced civilizations may hide themselves on purpose. They may use technology that we cannot detect. Just because we cannot see them does not mean they are not there. They could be hiding in plain sight, far beyond our current understanding. We often imagine aliens to look like humans, but real alien life could be completely different. They may not need oxygen or water like we do. They could exist in extreme heat, cold, or even in forms we cannot imagine. Because of this, we may be looking for the wrong type of life. Aliens might be right in front of us, but we fail to recognize them. Scientists have detected strange signals from space before, but most of them remain unexplained. These signals could be natural, or they could be something more. The problem is, we may not understand alien communication. Their language could be completely different from ours. We might be receiving messages, but we don't know how to read them. One theory suggests that aliens know about us, but choose not to contact us. This is called the zoo hypothesis. Just like humans observe animals without interfering, aliens may be watching Earth quietly. They might be waiting for humanity to reach a certain level of intelligence. Until then, they remain silent. Another possibility is fear. Aliens might avoid us because they see us as dangerous. Humans have a history of conflict and war. An advanced civilization may choose to stay hidden rather than risk contact. In this case, silence is not an accident. It is a decision. It is also possible that we are not searching correctly. Our technology is still limited. We have explored only a small part of the universe. There may be signals everywhere, but we are not looking in the right place. As technology improves, our chances of finding alien life will increase. Time is another challenge. Civilizations may exist, but not at the same time. One civilization may rise and fall before another begins. The universe is very old. Humans exist for only a tiny moment. We may have missed others, or they may not have appeared yet. Aliens may not be biological. They could be machines. Advanced civilizations may create artificial intelligence that continues to exist even after they are gone. These AI beings may travel through space silently. If so, aliens may not be living creatures, but intelligent machines. Some civilizations may expand quietly. Instead of sending signals, they may slowly spread across space without drawing attention. This silent expansion would make them almost impossible to detect. They could be everywhere, but completely unnoticed. There is also a darker idea. Maybe we don't see aliens because something has destroyed them all. A powerful force or unknown danger could exist in the universe. If this is true, then the silence is not empty. It is a warning. If something destroyed other civilizations, then the universe may not be safe. There could be unknown dangers that we don't understand yet. It might be something powerful and unstoppable. If that is true, then the silence we hear is not peaceful. It is a warning, a sign that survival in the universe is not easy. Even with all these possibilities, humans have not stopped searching. Powerful telescopes scan the sky every day. Scientists listen for signals from distant stars. Missions are sent to explore planets and moons. The search for alien life is still active, and with every discovery, we get closer to the truth. Scientists have already found planets outside our solar system. Some of them are in the habitable zone. This means they could support life. These discoveries prove that Earth is not unique. There are many worlds out there waiting to be explored. The chances of life existing somewhere continue to grow. Alien life may not be intelligent. It could be simple, like bacteria. Even finding microbial life would change everything. It would prove that life exists beyond Earth. Scientists are already searching for signs of life on Mars and other moons. The discovery of even tiny organisms would be historic. One day, humans may finally make contact. It could happen through a signal, a message, or even a physical encounter. This moment would change history forever. It would answer one of the biggest questions humanity has ever asked. Are we alone? But contact with aliens could bring fear or hope. We do not know their intentions. They could be friendly, or they could be dangerous. This uncertainty creates both excitement and fear. Humanity must be prepared for anything. The search for aliens is not just about them, it is also about us. It forces us to think about our place in the universe. Are we special, or just one of many civilizations? The answer will shape the future of humanity. Even today, the mystery remains unsolved. We continue to search, to question, and to explore. The universe is full of secrets, and we have only just begun to understand it. The silence still exists, and it continues to challenge us. So the question remains, are we truly alone in this universe? Or are we simply not looking in the right way? The answer is still out there, waiting to be discovered. And until we find it, the mystery will continue. Maybe aliens are out there, watching us. Maybe they are too far away. Or maybe we are truly alone. But one thing is certain, the search will never stop. Because humans are explorers. And one day, we may finally discover the truth. One day, we might receive a signal from deep space. Not a random noise, but something structured and meaningful. A signal that cannot be explained by nature. This moment would change everything we know about the universe. It would be the first real proof that we are not alone. But even if we receive a signal, understanding it will not be easy. Alien communication could be completely different from ours. It may not use language, sound, or symbols we recognize. Scientists would need time to decode it. The message could take years to understand. If we finally understand the message, the next step could be contact. This could be the most important moment in human history. Humans and aliens communicating for the first time. It would change science, culture, and our understanding of life forever. Contact with aliens would begin a new era for humanity. New knowledge, new technology, and new possibilities. We could learn things we never imagined. The future could change overnight. But there is another possibility. We may never receive a signal. The universe may remain silent forever. No contact, no messages, nothing. If that happens, we must accept a difficult truth. We might be alone. If we never find aliens, then we may become them. Humans may spread across the galaxy. We could become the first civilization to explore the universe. In the future, we might be the aliens that others are searching for. Humans are naturally curious. We explore, we discover, and we never stop asking questions. This curiosity drives us forward. It pushes us to look beyond Earth and into the stars. The search for aliens is part of who we are. The journey to find aliens may never end. It could take centuries or even thousands of years. But every step we take brings us closer to understanding the universe. The search itself is part of the adventure. The universe still holds many secrets. We may discover aliens tomorrow, or we may never find them. But the question will always remain. Are we alone, or are we just waiting for the right moment to discover the truth? Maybe aliens are out there, watching us. Maybe they are too far away. Or maybe we are truly alone. But one thing is certain. The universe is full of mysteries. And humans will never stop searching for answers. In the future, we may discover something unexpected. A strange signal, a new planet, or even a sign of life. Science is advancing every day. What seems impossible today could become reality tomorrow. The universe still has many surprises waiting for us. Humans are building more powerful telescopes and sending missions deeper into space. With better technology, we can explore farther than ever before. Our reach is expanding, and with it, our chances of finding alien life. Some planets may already have life, waiting to be discovered. These worlds could be very different from Earth, yet still support living organisms. Finding life on another planet would change everything we know. One single piece of evidence could answer the biggest question of all time: a clear signal, a confirmed organism, or direct contact. Just one discovery is enough to prove that we are not alone. That moment would be a turning point in human history. Everything would change. Our understanding of life, science, and the universe would be completely different. Humanity would enter a new era. But even after all our efforts, we may still find nothing. The universe may continue to stay silent. No signals, no life, no answers. This silence may last forever. If that happens, the biggest question will still remain. Are we truly alone? Or is there something we still don't understand? The mystery may never fully disappear. Whether we find aliens or not, one thing is clear. Humans are explorers. We will keep searching, learning, and moving forward. The journey itself is what defines us. Maybe aliens are out there, waiting to be discovered. Maybe they are watching us from far away. Or maybe we are truly alone in this endless universe. But no matter what the truth is, one thing will never change. Humanity will always look up at the stars and ask questions. Because the desire to explore is what makes us human. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And let me know in the comments, do you think we are alone in the universe?